Got the base coat of white on the Killer Whale project. And it's looking really good. Get some masking on there, get the next colors. So we've got all our base colors on our Killer Whale here. We've got the brown eyes, red heart, got a little saying in here that we're going to touch up later when everything's done. We'll hand paint that. And we've got our tongue color and in the white. So we have to do some shading. There's going to be some black shading to kind of push things away. But because the majority of the body already is black, we're going to be doing a lot more of the white shading to pull things forward. Plus we want to make it look a little wet, but yeah, we'll go ahead and do that right now. I just want to shade in a bit of the bottom of the eyes. The mask that I used when I painted the brown. So we'll just put that on there so we can protect the white of the eye. So now we'll take this mask off and see the effect. It just gives the eyes a bit more. There we go. We got all our shading done. All that's left to do is obviously take all the tape off, inspect our work, hopefully it looks right, and then, oh, you know what? I just noticed I need to put a little bit of shadow on the tongue. We're not done yet. I think that looks totally awesome. Alright, just a little bit of hand painting left to do.